Welcome to this first part of the Viking web traffic series. This is part 1, the introduction. Every successful marketer knows that web traffic is the lifeblood of any online business. Let us face facts. Even if you have the best darn product ever to be created, you won't be able to sell one if you don't tell someone about it and generate interest from your potential customers. That is the main objective of the process of creating continuous streaming website traffic. To advertise and promote your product for consistent and long-term profits. Without this, you are sunk before you even begin. I don't say this to discourage you from attaining your goals of being a successful online marketer. No, in fact, I want you to prosper. But I want you to do so with a level head. The only way you can become a success is to know what you need to do to get the sales to earn the income you are striving towards. Having a dream alone won't accomplish this. You must have a concrete battle plan. By using the tried and tested techniques throughout this series, you will get that much closer to reaching your online goals. With Viking web traffic, you have total control over the amount of traffic, sales and profits you want to get from your web business. Now, you have to understand this before we begin examining each of these proven advertising and promotional tactics. If you do nothing with the information I'm providing you with, you will not see any results. You must take positive action with what I'm handing you. So I suggest you carefully digest each of these tactics. Once you've done that, set aside a few hours to implement them. Each video is designed to not only explain what the individual tactic does and how it does it, but I will also explain how to use them more efficiently and effectively. Alright then, I'm ready to begin teaching. Are you ready to learn? If you are, then let's do it. First, you must learn what not to do. This may seem a bit silly to you at this point, but believe me, knowing what not to do will greatly shave time off your busy schedule. It will allow you to manage your time more effectively and place you on the right road towards profits as quickly as humanly possible. What I'm going to tell you about here, and what I like to refer to as time wasters. They do nothing positive except waste your precious time. Time is a commodity you simply cannot afford to dwindle, especially in the internet marketing business. There's always someone else out there that will have the available time required to build their online empire through applying useful advertising and promotional techniques that work, beating you to the punch, earning the profits you feel you should have earned. All because you wasted your time on using things that don't work. Therefore, you have to rid yourself of all the garbage tactics, so you know for a fact you're using the most effective ones properly and quickly. If you're currently using any of the following, you need to stop immediately. They do nothing for you whatsoever. Here's a quick list of time wasters you should try to avoid. Safe list mailings. Do you honestly believe that people who are on this type of mailing list are going to take the time to read your email? They're only there for the same reason you are, to promote their own sites. They don't care if you're giving them something fantastic for free. All they care about is getting their ad in front of you and generating their own traffic and sales. It's a serious waste of time, so avoid this as best as you can. The next one is paying for site submission to search engines. How do you even know whether or not these site submission companies are submitting your site to the most popular search engines? Or if they are even placing you in the correct category for your site to be accepted? Put your money where it will be of most use to you, and investing it here isn't the place. Besides, you can do it on your own for free anyway without having to place a bunch of ugly banners onto your site, giving them free advertising. The last one we're going to talk about is FFA sites. Are you serious? These are total junk at this internet age. They do nothing successfully for you except waste your time at the very least. The worst thing you can do is ever think about posting your site URL on one of these. They don't work at all. If you don't know what an FFA site is, then consider yourself a very lucky person. All these are sites that list a huge amount of site links from lots of other hopefuls trying to send prospects to their site. It isn't targeted to any one specific group of people either. All the links are usually just jumbled together in one huge link list. Now honestly, how effective do you think this is going to be if you are the 2145th link on that list? These are just a few of serial time wasters. While there are more, these are the most common types. My advice is to stay away from them if you can. Let's get to the good stuff now. Everything you need to learn is right here in this video series. It's featuring the most effective, affordable and results-oriented advertising and promotion tactics. This video series was created with the intermediately experienced business owner in mind, but you'll find some unique, highly creative tactics in this guide, no matter what your level of skill and experience may be. So, in the next section in this series, we're going to talk about affiliates web traffic. How you can use affiliates to create a huge amount of web traffic to your site. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.